Hello everyone, my name is Shrikant Deshpande. Today I am going to share some useful information on instrument verification, calibration and recalibration, which is a beneficial part for quality teams in all industrial sectors. Everyone knows that instruments are basically backbone of accurate measurements in any industry, but their accuracy doesn't last forever. Over a period of time, factors like wear and tear, environmental conditions, and regular usage can cause instruments to drift from their original calibration. Recalibration always ensures that your equipment continues to deliver precise and reliable results, minimizing errors and quality issues. Basically, it's not just a practice, but in many industries, periodic recalibration is a requirement for compliance with standards and regulation. Skipping recalibration can lead to costly rework, safety risk, and even equipment failure. So, guys, a recalibration of instruments are very much essential for maintaining quality, safety, and trust in every industrial process. So guys, everyone is using instruments and everybody asks question why there is a need for calibration. So there are 5 to 6 major points where I will explain one by one. So calibration ensures measurement accuracy by correcting instrument drift over a time. It is one important fact that all instruments naturally lose accuracy due to aging of internal components, environmental factors like temperature or humidity, and regular use. Therefore, frequent calibration catches these small changes before they become big problems. Now, second point is it maintains compliance with industry standards and regulatory requirement. There are many industries like pharmaceutical, food, aviation, fabrication, or oil and gas which require documented evidence of regular calibration. So, skipping calibration can lead to non-compliance and potential legal issues. Third point is it prevents costly errors. Non-calibrated instrument can give wrong readings, leading to product defects, wasted materials, process downtime, and even regulatory penalties. Basically, regular calibration is cheaper than fixing the damaged bad data. Calibration always enhances safety. When we talk specifically about safety critical tools like pressure gauges, gas detectors, flow meter, transmitters, small error can lead to major accident or system failures. Therefore, by regular calibration, we can ensure everything stays within the safe operating limits. The next point is calibration support consistent quality and improves repeatability and reliability. Frequent calibration always ensures that the same instrument gives the same result every time under the same condition. Basically, calibration is a very crucial in labs, production lines, and any process that depends on consistent quality. Regular calibration ensures your readings are still correct and haven't drifted from the standard, especially critically if if your measurement affect product quality, scientific results, or safety. Now, the last point is it's very important that the calibration extend equipment life. We Till now we have understood that calibration isn't just checking readings. It often includes cleaning, adjustments, and minor maintenance. This can prevent premature wear and increase the instrument lifespan. We have seen why calibration is required. Now our next topic is why instruments need recalibration, because once we have done calibration in a certain frequent period of time, it needs to be recalibrated. So we will see one by one all these points. First point is the instrument accuracy drifts over period of time. There is a tendency that instrument degrade due to wear and tear, environmental exposures, temperature, humidity, vibrations, and usage. Even small deviation can lead to measurement errors which are often not visible during regular use. We always see instrument is working, but it does not mean it's accurate. So our second point is working does not mean it's accurate. During use, though an instrument is power on, it shows display values, but those values may not be within acceptable tolerances. Especially this is very much critical in regulated industries like oil and gas, pharma, aerospace, where precise readings are crucial. Third point is regulatory and industrial standard, which I have explained in the calibration part. Nowadays, in every standards like ISO, ASTM, API, ASME, PD, and other many standards have made mandatory periodic calibration. Certification bodies often require calibration traceable to national international standards. The next point is drift detection and documentation. Always in recalibration, we can detect the drift of instrument, and then same it is documented in their reports. So regular calibration helps to detect measurement drift quite early. Calibration certificates serve as a proof of traceability and validation for audits and legal defense. Next point is safety and cost. It is also same where I have explained in calibration that non-calibrated instrument can lead to faulty production, non-compliance, equipment damage, safety hazards, expensive rework or downtime because of non-calibration of instruments. And again, recalibration means we are having confidence in our data. Here, by doing regular calibrations, we can assure that measurements are reliable, consistent, and it builds trust with clients, auditors, and our stakeholders. We'll see the difference between verification versus calibration. So, instrument verification is the process of checking whether an instrument measurements fall within acceptable limits or tolerances based on the predefined standards without making instrument adjustments. While as in instrument calibration, it is a process of comparing an instrument measurements to a known standard and then adjusting the instrument if needed to align it with the corrective value. So basic difference is we have to compare and adjust the instrument in instrument calibration, whereas verification is just checking the measurements are falling within the acceptable limits. Now we will see the distinguishing factors between verification and calibration. In verification, no adjustments are required. However, in calibration, it involves adjustments wherever necessary. Verification always focus on compliance, whereas calibration more focus on accuracy. Verification can be internal or quick check, but in calibration, it uses comparison with known standard or reference. Generally, verification is done more frequently. However, calibration is done periodically or it is a scheduled as per the system. Outcome of the verification is generally it gives pass or fail, whereas calibration gives the result in a report and certificate is issued by the calibration agency. These certificates are always a record which we can show it to our clients, then stakeholders as well as a third party as and when required. Thank you friends. Hope you like this video on instrument verification, calibration and recalibration. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to stay updated with more exciting videos on inspection, quality assurance, quality control and industry best practices. Watch, learn and develop with Zekko Inspection Technology, the perfect YouTube channel for engineers eager to learn and grow in the field of inspection.